Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. 52 degrees outside today. Nice and sunny, looking good. Who do we have first in the chat today? We got Frank first in the chat. What's going on, Frank? Frank, Arthur, Paul, Darkbro, Pudgy, Tim, Darkbro, Tim, Pudgy, Tim, Darkbro, Old Rounder, Frank, Tim. We got Darkbro, Frank, Pat. We've got Pat, Tim, Kenneth, and OTS. Glad to have all you guys in here right now. Let's check out the market and see what it's doing, because we've got AMC at the top left, closed the day at $7.45, sitting at $7.46 after hours. Shiba Inu coin, basically no action whatsoever on Shiba Inu coin, sitting at 0.00009 right now, 0.72% higher on the day. We've got GameStop sitting at closing at 25.60, sitting at 25.60 after hours. Bitcoin throwing a couple gains on the chart a little earlier today, and maintaining those gains right now, looking to break back and hit an intraday, well, I don't know if an intraday high, might be, sitting at $16,483 per coin. The NASDAQ closing the day down 0.60%. Pure Therapeutics closing at 25 cents per share today, up 10% on the day. Ethereum 12.21, Shiba 9.14, Doge 10.250. We've got Bitcoin 16.480. Sundial closing the day at $2.57. Mullen Auto 20 cents. CEI 10 cents. The SPY closing at $395.25 today. BBIG 69 cents. Highcroft Mining 77 cents, down 3% after hours. Netflix closing the day at $280.96. And Terra Luna Classic 15.980 with a little bit of a spike there towards this last minute. QQQ 280.57, and Ape closing the day at $1.05.5. My gosh, $1.05 on shares of Ape. When are we gonna go 99 cents on Ape? Remember when I had that dream that $1.49 was the low price there? Well, that was clearly wrong. It did hit $1.48 and bounce nicely, but it's sitting at $1.05 right now. Ape is extremely low. My gosh, Patrick is back. Guess who's back? Pat is back. Pat, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Pat. This is much needed, man. Thank you very much for the water, Pat. Absolutely appreciate that. Authorized hydration right there. Best way to do it. Otherwise, you just choke on the water. My goodness, man. Thank you very much, Pat. Absolutely appreciate that. See what we got going on in the chat right now. Frank, if you're CFO, I need a raise. Something I know I missed into it. Got into POL at 66 cents on Monday. It's down 10% today. I'm still up 4%. Love penny stocks. Makes me feel like Warren Buffett. You get thousands of shares. Thousands of shares. Oh, yes, dude. OTS Chicago. What's the next exchange ready to go down? OTS. You know, I'm not exactly sure which the next exchange to go down is going to be. Anything related with FTX, so I would get out of those, man. I honestly wouldn't touch anything related to FTX. And I wouldn't really even hold your cryptocurrency on an exchange. If you're going to trade it, I get it, right? I'm trading a little bit on Kucoin myself. I'm actually short CeeLo at the moment on Kucoin. And the rest, I hold on Trust Wallet. So, well, I got a lot locked up in Voyager. And it's like, it is what it is. Is it necessarily a mistake? I don't know. I don't know if it's necessarily a mistake. Everything was seemingly fine. And by the time they announce any problems, it's too late. So I was able to move my stuff over into USDC before they locked it up. So it's not like I have to worry about a fluctuating price. But I do have to worry about ever getting those crypto coins back. And I don't want you guys to have to deal with that. So don't store on a centralized exchange. It's almost nonsense to store on a centralized exchange. Trade on a centralized exchange all day long if you want. But storing is a different story. Clearbro AMC still hanging out in the sympathy target from last Friday. Dude, a lot of stuff's kind of sitting sideways. Except for, you know what's not sitting sideways? Cosmos, man. We're going to look at Cosmos in a second here. I thought Cosmos was done. Coming down to 60 cents today. Guess what? Cosmos was not done. It ran back up to 80. So we're going to look at it in a second here. Let's see. I'm glad I got out of my Bitcoin short at 16.2. Very nice old rounder. I forgot about 400 shares of Apple a while back. Now I can't remember my password. Oh, boy. You, Pudgy, you're going to need to write that stuff down. And you want to get that. You want to get those 400 shares of Apple, dude. Don't lose out on those. Please, please, please don't lose out on those. Jennifer, what's going on, Jennifer? Hello, bro fam. Hello, Jennifer fam. Anybody gonna grab some 75-cent ape tomorrow? Just a prediction, not financial advice. Nah, maybe like a quarter. Maybe like a quarter. I'll grab some ape for a quarter. But, dude, it just keeps coming down and down and down, and all it wants to do is come down. It's ridiculous. Let me see here. We are... What was I gonna look at? What did you guys have there? 753. Oh, Cosmos is what we're going to look at. We're going to see where that is. So I was saying everything else is going down. Cosmos was going up. Closing the day, it's 77 cents, and it is currently up to 80 cents after hours. My goodness. Pulling back a little bit towards the end of the day there. These are some decent swings, right? These are 10% swings. Going from 84 cents down to 76 cents and then back up another 5-6% right here. So definitely moving right now. The crazy thing is when you look at this daily graph, okay, it's in this level of resistance right now in this 80-cent range. If it breaks, yes, it can see 95 cents. It's going to touch resistance again. Yes, it can see $1.05 before it hits resistance again. Somehow maintaining this wildly steep trend line. We're going to have to see if it continues to maintain it, but I'm telling you right now, this is not necessarily a doji candle, okay? The Dragonfly doji. Because it did end up closing slightly lower than where it opened. But this would not be a good sign if this was a Dragonfly doji here. I don't know. Candlesticks are great. All that stuff's great. But if these people continue to buy and the hype continues on, technical analysis is only so good, man. But we could be forming some form of a reversal pattern here on this candlestick chart. But hey, I think the emotionally significant level is going to be at that $1. Now, if it passes, if it breaks out of $1.10, this area right in here, and is able to jump up through this $1.20, dude, I mean, look, you're solid to $2-3 on a technical chart. You're solid at $2-3 on the technicals here. I don't think that you're going to be able to make it from 6 cents to $3 in any sort of a short time period. But, dude, the gains have been absolutely crazy in Cosmos right now. Hopefully they continue for anybody in Cosmos, but be careful if you are. Let's see, long-term retirement portfolio closed up 0.67% today. Nice when both the SPY and the QQQ are red on the day. That is beautiful when they're both red on the day. Nice job, Frank. BRB, Pudgy, come back to us. I need to know how to put my crypto off these exchanges and into a wallet. How do I do that? So, Jennifer, I don't know what exchange you use, okay? Let's see. Check that out. Yeah. So, Tim talking about Trust Wallet, Crypto.com, DeFi Wallet, Hot for Hot Wallets, Ledger for a cold wallet. So, what you're going to end up doing is, let's say you want to send over to Trust Wallet. You're basically going to go open your Trust Wallet app, if you've got one, or Crypto.com wallet, or Coinbase wallet, or whatever you got, MetaMask, and let's say you've got Bitcoin. You're going to copy your Bitcoin address, and you're going to go over to, I don't know what platform you're using. Let's say you use Coinbase. You're going to go over to your Coinbase account, and you're going to click Withdraw. And it's going to ask you which wallet you want to withdraw to. And then you're going to simply paste. Don't try to type it in. You got way too many room for mistakes on that. You're going to paste your Bitcoin wallet address in there. and just click withdraw or click send or whatever the button is to be able to do it. And then after maybe a minute, 2 minutes, couple minutes there, you're going to be able to see your balance show up in your DeFi wallet. Now, something that I would recommend, it is up to you. I do it first couple times that I'm using one of these new wallets, or sending off exchange to, well, really sending to from any wallet to any wallet. Send a small amount first. Even if it hits you with a little bit of a fee on every transaction, don't risk sending to the wrong wallet. Don't risk sending and it not working or something like that. Send a small amount. Make sure that it shows up in your wallet, and then you can go ahead and send the remaining balance, or send whatever balance you want over to it. But it is very simple. You should see a withdrawal button on those exchanges, and when you type in the address, you should just be able to copy and paste whatever DeFi wallet address that you want to send it to. Yep, just a few clicks, copy and paste. Kenneth is absolutely right on that one. And I would make sure to copy and paste, okay? I wouldn't sit there and try to type in, 6FG, 6999410 I would not try to type in your wallet address. There's way too much room for error there. Chris, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Late? No memo. Blowing leaves or blowing leaves? What? Blowing leaves or blowing leaves? I don't know. Cannabis or landscape reference? Okay, now I get it. Whatever it is, it's a low-key gene. Which one's he doing today? Nah, he's blowing leaves, man. He said he was on leaf cleanup. He said he was cleaning leaves up, so I think he's blowing actual leaves. I think Chris is blowing actual leaves right now with a leaf blower. That's what I'm thinking. Chris, you still got that sunburn going on, dude? You said you were burnt earlier, and I didn't know if you still got that sunburn going on, or if you're able to get some aloe and rub that on, man, and take care of the pain. But let us know if you're doing good, Chris. What will happen if Apple removes Trust Wallet from the App Store? So cute. Very good question, because I have thought about that. So you would be able to access Trust Wallet on the Google Play Store, for one thing. But, so seemingly, and I've seen a couple videos on this. I've not tested this myself. You guys can actually test this right now if you want to. So seemingly, you can go in there, and if you've got your crypto keys, BitBoy, mouse, microphone, crown, water, speaker, if you've got your 12-word passphrase or whatever it is, you can use these wallets interchangeably. It doesn't need to be Trust Wallet. If you use Trust Wallet, you should be able to access these wallets through other apps, right? So let's say Trust Wallet gets delisted from the App Store. You should be able to go in and use Kucoin wallet to access your same stuff. It's your keys to the blockchain is what you're using. And the platform, the app that you're using is just the app that you're using, right? It's not necessarily your keys to the blockchain. So I've not tested that myself, but I actually have seen a couple videos on it because I was wondering about that. So I'll go ahead and test it if you guys want to. I mean, you can make as many free wallets as you want. And then, when it goes to, say, restore wallet or whatever, just type in your passphrase and so on. Or watch a couple videos on it if you want to watch a couple videos on it. So, because I did wonder what would happen if Trust Wallet got delisted or if MetaMask got delisted and stuff like that. Now, another concern of mine, okay, and this is a legitimate concern, is that what happens if it's delisted everywhere, okay? What happens if the government comes out and says, we don't like DeFi crypto. We want to make DeFi crypto illegal. So if you want to hold your cryptocurrency, you're either going to have to use our government-funded and controlled centralized exchange, whether that be Coinbase or so on, or, whatever. But you can't use DeFi. In that sense, because those apps will be illegal, all of them, will be removed from the Apple App Store. All of them will be removed from the Google Play Store. And that's going to be a different scenario. So if you lose access that way, that would be much more concerning than just Binance going down and Trust Wallet disappearing. If you get some sort of if the government came in and said DeFi is illegal because we can't track it, we can't trust it. It's bad for you. If we can't control it, it's bad for you. If they do that, then you're either going to have to go to a different country to access it, or I don't know what the answer would be right off the top of my head, how you would be able to get. I guess if you could VPN in to a different country, that might work, unless they completely block it from their devices. So, yeah, VPNing might be an option, but I don't think we have to worry about that right this second. Jennifer! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Jennifer, thank you very much for the fist bump. Absolutely love it. Hopefully you're having a great day today, Jen. Hey bro, not saying, but I'm saying, might be a good idea for a video. Transferring to a wallet, stuff like that. Yeah, it could be a good video. I know there's a ton of videos out there. You know what might be a decent idea? Just like a little, gosh, I don't know, 1 minute video or 2 minute video that I could just reference. Like a lot of my videos when I say, if you guys want to use Kucoin, Binance, you can transfer off those platforms onto a DeFi wallet. I could just make a 1 minute video on, if you guys want to watch that, go click it. Just go watch this video on how to make that transfer right there. That actually might be a little bit, and when I got the little Kucoin card up there, when I'm talking about Kucoin, I could put that video up there, just a link to that video. If anybody wanted to know how to do that, they could easily go see how to just copy and paste their address and send it to their wallet there. So yeah, Tim, that's not a bad idea. I might look into doing something like that, man. Leaf removal at work. LMAO, low-key gene means I'm low-key genius. But yes, Clay got a little too ripped on lunch break. Oh boy. Got sunburnt, dude. You're flying too close to the sun, Chris. You will get burnt if you're flying too close to the sun. Well, dude, if you're getting a little bit too burnt on lunch break, wear some more sunscreen next time and you'll be good to go. Yes, I can access through Trust Wallet and MetaMask using same keys than import coins. Franchise, that's okay. So franchise confirming there, and that's what I have seen. I have not done it myself. So thank you very much, franchise, for looking at that right there and confirming. So that'll alleviate the, I guess, risk of Binance going bankrupt and losing Trust Wallet, or Coinbase going bankrupt and losing Coinbase Wallet. So the risk is that DeFi is made illegal, though. And I imagine if DeFi was, if they were litigating that, we would probably have time. I don't think that they would be litigating that and all of a sudden, keep everything a secret, and then out of nowhere, got him, and just screw us all and say your crypto's worthless. I don't think they'd do that. Love the government. Me too. We know that YouTube transcribes the videos. So I love the government too, Jen. I love the government too. They're always looking out for our best interests. They always have our best interests at heart. Now I'm going to be promoted. YouTube's going to start throwing these videos out there. I like it. Hey, Clay, what do you think that LUNC is? Do you think LUNC is going to merge? I hope not. What is your expectation? What is your expectation about this? So, Esco, no, Terra Luna Classic's not going to merge, man. Watch the last, not the video I did this morning, but watch the video I did yesterday on it. Dude, it's just some weird thing that LUNC DAO's got going on right now. I don't know. That dude, you got to be careful what you say on the internet, but sometimes I wonder if that dude is like ADHD or something. If they outlaw DeFi crypto, only outlaws will have DeFi crypto. Abraham Lincoln, probably. Yes, man. I will have crypto if they outlaw DeFi crypto. I will continue to believe in crypto, even if it is outlawed, my friends. Bro, you can make a YouTube short. Yeah, I could do that. Could make a YouTube short on how to do it. Actually, might be easier to do it vertical anyway. Might be easier to record it vertical, so you could just screen record the phone too. I use SafePal because Trust Wallet does not show some prices, but SafePal does, so I can see all prices. All right, yeah, there you go, man. I've never used SafePal, so definitely something that you can look into if you guys want to check out SafePal. It's really cold here, 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Sean, that is very cold, dude. That is very cold. Where you at, Sean? That's really cold, man. USA, USA, USA. That was trending on Twitter, but I didn't see why that was trending on Twitter. We're doing good or something. Hey, bro, King Mama's blocked or something. I told him I told him to post a link in the Discord so you can go see his channel. Oh my gosh, dude. What? Well, let's take a little dive into... Let's take a little dive to see if YouTube's screwing me again. Alright, guys. Hold on 2 seconds. Because I'm going to have to click this. I'm going to have to click this on my phone here. So let's see if King Mamba is blocked or what this nonsense is. Where did he post that? Community chat? Alright, let's see. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. Gosh. Oh my gosh, man. This is... Oh boy. Alright. Tell him he's good now. Miles, behave. You're not supposed to be using language like that in here. Alright. He is unblocked. So, that is good news. Hold on, I gotta plug this phone back in or we're gonna lose it. Gosh, dude. Dude, I can't believe... Why the heck is YouTube doing this stuff, man? Now who else is blocked now? Alright. It really makes me wonder, with 40 people in here, if there's not another 500 people that are currently blocked. Oh, man. Gosh. Yeah, King Mambo, dude. I guess you're back, man. I guess you're back. I don't know what the heck is... I don't know what the heck is wrong with YouTube. You were blocked. So, you were blocked. Christmas, man. Bots are programmed to cut specific people out. I can't post them, man. I don't know if that was a bot or just some dude, but whatever. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat, Pet says. Love the government like an itch I can't scratch. So here's the Clay Bro get out of free market jail fund. Boom, baby! Dude, we're already being suppressed. Think about this. King Mamba was just blocked, right? I did not block King Mamba. But King Mamba was just randomly blocked from my channel. Think about how many people who I can't go click on their channel to see if they are blocked. How many out of the 108,000 that are subscribed to this channel? We got 100,000 that are blocked right now? Can't leave comments? Oh my. I'm going to get a job at YouTube. I am going to apply for a job at YouTube, probably this evening, to infiltrate their system and see what kind of nonsense they are doing. It's ridiculous, man. Like, why block King Mamba? God, dude. Rossi's probably blocked too. I have not seen Rozzy in a while. Go. I don't have his channel name. I don't know how to go click on his channel without his channel. How do I click on his channel? How do I find his channel name without Just type in Roz. I don't know if typing in Roz you'll do anything. Nah, Killer Page, you're not blocked. I got you right there. Mark, yeah, guys, listen, if you're in here right now, get your name in the chat. Do a little block check. Mark and Killer Page, you got a good idea there. Throw your name in the chat right now. See if it actually shows up. If I do not, give me like 30 seconds, right? Do it over the next 30 seconds. If you're late to the game, well, you're late to the game. You don't really care if you're blocked. But get your name in the chat right now. If you don't hear your name read, you could be blocked, okay? You could be blocked. So let's just do a quick block check to make sure you're not blocked right now. I don't understand why YouTube does this crap to me. But, yes, not blocked yet, but I'm working on it. Pat, you're definitely working on it, man. You're saying stuff like that. Love the government like I love an itch. Yeah. You're working on it. We got Arthur's in here. King Mamba is in here. Just a dude, a.k.a. bot. You just a dude could be a bot, man. King Mamba's in here. Markel's in here. Killer Page is in here. We got Tim in here. Jennifer in here. Listen to Jennifer. Don't forget to smash that like button. Dark Bro's in here. John Jay's in here. Chris is in here. Next Level's in here. King Mamba's in here. Slayer's in here. Frank's in here. Old Rounder's in here. Crypto Dreamer is in here. And Jim Tartaglia, maybe. Jim Tartaglia is in here. Dave Anderson's in here. The franchise is in here. Like, if you didn't hear your name, you're probably not in here, man. So you better listen. If you're not in here, go over to the Discord and let me know you're not in here. If you really didn't hear your name and you are in here, go over to the Discord and tell me you're not in here. This is like ridiculous that I gotta focus on seeing who's blocked and not. Discord's pinned to the top of the screen if you guys want to jump in the Discord if I did not read your name there. So, Anthony uses MetaMask for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, but want to get Crypto.com coin, Tonic, BNB. What wallet would you recommend for other blockchains? Let's see. You know, I do. So, I would, for BNB, man, I would use Trust Wallet for BNB. I don't hold any of my Crypto.com coin. I honestly, I got a little bit of Crypto.com coin on Crypto.com. Probably Trust Wallet, man. I don't know if you can hold Tonic and Crow in Trust Wallet or not. Anybody that is holding them there, let us know. But I know for a fact you can hold BNB in Trust Wallet. I have BNB in Trust Wallet. Let's see. Pika, Danelle, DD214. Yeah, if you guys are in here, man, I don't know. I don't know why that just happened or if it did just happen. Kip, thanks for jumping in the Discord, man. I see you over there. Those names are always here. They are, but I do not see them right now. Crypto for Crypto.com has been there. Has their own DeFi wallet and can stake Tectonic and Crow. Good deal, franchise. Yeah, there you go. And now staking. Think about this, okay? Staking is lending your cryptocurrency. So you want to be careful with staking as well. So you are still lending that out when you are staking your Crypto.com coin or any coin for that matter. But Crypto.com coin or Crypto.com wallet would be a DeFi place where you can hold your Crow and Tectonic. Michael, where you at, bro? The one, yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen Michael in here in a while either, man. I wonder if not. Gosh, dude, I wonder if Michael's blocked. You guys always got me worried about people being blocked now. Bro, we need a search and rescue section for Discord so people who are blocked that can't chat in here have a way to tell us. Yeah. They could probably, like, if they are in here but they're not seeing it, they could just complain probably anywhere in the Discord and somebody's going to see them since it's not like a super flooded Discord or anything like that. But you are right, man. We need to make sure that nobody gets blocked. King Mamba was blocked. He was. So I don't know what's going on with that. Arthur, me, and Pete were blocked for a long time. Pudgy made fun of us in the Discord. Pretty sure Bronson did too, man. You got to remember about that. Pretty sure Bronson did. Only staking about half. Yeah, there you go, franchise. That's not bad then. You always want to keep some available in case the price action gets crazy and you're able to take advantage of it. Emma D, I do not know if Emma D's in here right now or not. Emma, if you're listening, I don't see you in the chat anywhere. Make sure to jump in the Discord and let us know. Let's see. I'm going to send a message in the Discord. All right, we're gonna see if anybody else thinks that they're blocked as well. You got this one. Ooh, I'm gonna get this one, John J. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I'm gonna get it with Bronson. No ignore. Yeah, Bronson, where you at, man? He probably made so much money on his QQQ puts that he doesn't know what to do with it anymore. Work sucks. Next level, I believe it, man. King Mamba, glad to have you in here. Glad to have you back, dude. I don't want to see anybody blocked. Let's check out what some of these DeFi coins are doing at the moment, guys. CeeLo sitting at 61.38. You guys need to see this. 61.38 at the moment on CeeLo, down 0.80%. I don't know if this is actually up to date or not. Let's refresh this and see what we got going on here. 61.38 intraday, bouncing back off the 66 lows here, coming back up a little bit, but might be edging its way down. So 61.38 there. Anything going on with Raven coin? Nope. 21.35, just a 1/100th of a cent higher than it was before. We've got, well, we could see Terra Luna Classic there. Okay, no, it's moving around. Pancake Swap, we were looking at that, $3.90. It's slightly up on the day. Tectonic still sitting at 900 points per coin. Let's see what we got here on Tectonic. Yes, 961 points per coin on Tectonic there. $114,000 in volume today, down 36% from yesterday. Still at 10.6 million, not billion, $10.6 million market cap on Tectonic. So not moving around too much right now, and it is at or near the all-time lows that we've been having. So definitely something to consider if you guys believe that it is going to grow as the future unfolds. However, I've not forgotten about Bronson and what he put Pika and I through. Dude, damn, it was absolutely, like, I don't understand. I'm glad that we figured out that you guys were blocked, but they never answered me on why you guys were blocked. They just said, forget about it. We can't see anything that's wrong with this, so nothing is wrong with this. Part of me wants to sue them for the hardship that it caused you guys. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, pour a little out in my mouth. Oh man. And on the ground. Pour a little out for the bromies that could not join us. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael. Then we got a good old banana with a licking stick for Emma D. Thank you very much. And a hot dog. We got a little dip and shove. We're dipping that hot dog in our favorite dip and we're shoving it for Danelle. And a little peach for Rozzy. And if I missed anyone, have a coffee on me. I got a lot of that coffee on me during a pour a little one out for the bromies there. Whoo, Pat, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it, man. And all of those that are not joining us right now, you are here with us. You are here with us. We love you guys. Michael, Amadi, Danelle, Rozzy, and everybody else that may have been missed. Have a coffee on us. Thank you very much, Pat. Won $500 heavy in Tectonic last week. That's it. Like I said, lose $500. Oh, well. Go to the moon. Even better. Arthur. Dude, I hope. Okay, come on, camera. I hope That you 1000x on that, dude. And I hope that Tectonic hits a $10 billion valuation one day. And you're sitting on $500,000 in Tectonic. That would be amazing, man. Look, I don't know if it's going to happen next year, year after, 10 years down the road, man. But I hope it does happen for you and you make some sick money. Posted the easiest song ever in history. Where was it, man? Where was it? Maybe that's why Sam Demand... Could be. Sam Demand might be blocked again. Sam Demand was blocked before. He could be blocked again. Where is John Jay's... I don't see John Jay's song. John Jay, dude, I think it might have blocked one of your lyrics or something. Because I see where it says, you got this one. But then there's no message in between you got this and I posted the easiest song ever in history. No ignore. There's no message in between those two, so... YouTube may have auto-blocked that for some reason. And there's no message before that. The last one before that is, maybe that's why Sam Demand is gone. Hasn't been around for a while. Could be why Sam Demand's gone, dude. Sam Demand might be in here right now, but nobody can see his messages because YouTube's being dumb. It's an absolute possibility. Let's see here. Came in with a peach on my screen. Army Vet Bro. Best way to enter the live stream. Loving it, dude. Glad to have you in here. Nice way to be greeted. It is, Pat. It's the best way to be greeted. D's? Yeah, where's D's, man? Nobody knows. It's very strange that a lot of these people that are in here every day haven't been here in like a week. So I don't know where they're at. Genie B? Where's Genie B? I haven't seen Genie B in a while, and Genie B is typically in here every day. So, yeah, it does seem like we're missing a lot of people right now, and I have no way of seeing if they're blocked or not. So that's the crazy part. Something is wrong, John Jay. Something is wrong. Who's nuts? Oh, I don't know. I guess D's. Thanks, Arthur. Next level in Army Vet Bro. Absolutely, man. Now, you guys really got me wondering if Genie B is in here, if D's is in here, if Emma D is in here, if all you guys are just blocked, or if you're legitimately not in here right now. Maybe the fake bro is sabotaging you. He's upset. We busted him, and now he's blocking people. Dude, if he knows how to do that, we got ourselves a good old YouTube hacker on here. But, no, it's a very weird block. It's almost like I didn't block them from my channel. I blocked like their channel. Like, it doesn't make sense. You know, they don't show up on the blocked list. They only show up when I go in and search their channel. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat says, forgot D's, peanuts and acorns. Genie B. Yes, Genie B with this one, man. Shout out to Genie B. If you're in here right now, this one is definitely from Pat for you. That'll stretch your spine out, I'm telling you, man. That, dude, thank you very much. Genie B, if you're in here, we definitely can't hear you. Definitely can't see your chat. I don't know what's going on, but thank you very much for that. Seems like all the channels that are slamming FTX, calling them out, are having problems. Very well could be, dude. You're not allowed to say anything about the bad guys anymore. We all got to praise the bad guys or deal with the consequences. And have people randomly blocked from our channel. I don't get it, dude. Ugly Smo, what's going on? If I come up missing, maybe that's true. John Jay very well could be. Maybe oh, sorry, I saw that there. YouTube version of Clinton Family a Friend getting, yeah, it is, man. It is. All of a sudden, people just start disappearing. What are we going to do? So I have Coinbase Wallet, and today I randomly received some Climb DAO tokens show up. Never bought any and assume it's a scam attempt. I hid and reposted it, but can you explain if my wallet is safe? So, Ugly Smo, I would imagine that yes, your wallet is safe. I've seen that happen. I've never had that happen to me. Okay, I've never had that happen to me. But, people can send you those, like, those phishing tokens or whatever they are. I'm not a smart enough hacker to really understand what those coins do. But what I think happens is that, let's say you get a bunch of this Klima coin, and then you go to like transfer it out of your wallet, and you go to convert it maybe to some Ethereum, or you go to convert it to some BNB that you want. When you start interacting with that coin is when the problems start to arise. So I have no idea about like how that hack works or how that scam works. But I do know that it's a scam, right? Nobody's just sending you a Climate Coin for no reason or anything like that. And I've seen people complain about it plenty of times on Twitter that they interacted with one of these scam tokens and then all of a sudden they're missing some funds or something like that. So I've never had it happen to me, but it don't try to sell it, man. Nobody's giving you free money unless you won some sort of a giveaway. Like if you won some sort of a Twitter giveaway and somebody sent you put your wallet address out there and somebody sent you some coins or something, I would not interact with that at all, because I don't know if Klima's a BNB or if it's an Ethereum wallet or what the deal is, but you can go on there and people, like if you get a decent amount of some coin, people can go find your wallet address and just start spamming coins to a bunch of different wallets, and then maybe they send it to 10,000 different wallets, and maybe two or three guys interact with it. All of a sudden they can drain those 2 or 3 guys, and they walk off with a couple $100. You got some bot that sends all these coins out to these different wallets, and it's really no effort from the scammers. But whatever they can do with the interaction there is the bad part. Oh, thank you, bro. If you're a real good guy. Ugly Smo. Well, I don't know about all that, but you're welcome. What would you like me to say other than you're welcome? You're welcome. Actually, Shib triple tap 901 and then started moving. Dude, Shib is not moving at all today, but yes, it did. Boom, tka boom, tka boom. Triple tap 901 right here. 901, 901, 901. Dude, this Shib action, like, look at this. There's so many stale candles on here of no moves whatsoever. It's ridiculous. And then a little bit of bounce there, up 10 points to 912 at the moment. Not too much of a move at all, but very stagnant action on Shiba Inu coin. I just don't know if we should put something else in its place right now or not. It's not moving at all. Let's see. It's up. Frank Crypto King is freaking out on Kucoin. If he makes it, he's making things. Okay, so Army Vet Bro. No, actually, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna have a video coming out tonight on Kucoin. I don't know if it'll be 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, but what did you ask? Is he making things? So he's not making things up, but you're not thinking it through. So what Crypto King and all of these other people that are tweeting about, Kucoin with 80,000+ tweets right now, is that Kucoin must be in trouble. And I'll say that, let me state it with this, okay? I'm not holding anything on Kucoin. I would be upset if I lost it because I don't want anybody taking my stuff. But I'm holding just some trading funds on Kucoin. When I make some profit on them, I move them out and move them to a DeFi wallet. But, I'm still going to be upset if they take my trading money because it's my money. And if they do end up going under, which every exchange is at risk, then, it's going to suck. But what they're looking at right now is the APR, the annual percentage return for Ethereum, USDT, and Bitcoin. Right around 200%. So they're looking at this ridiculously high return and saying that KuCoin must be in trouble. Leave now. They can't be offering 200% returns for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. They must really be hard up for some money and looking for some liquidity. Now, although they may be hard up for some money, they don't understand what these returns are. So these are called dual investments. And although I've not participated in one, I've read all about them, I've looked at them, and maybe we'll do something with the Ethereum one just to test it out and see how it works. But essentially, they are cryptocurrency call options, okay? And very similar to selling a call option in the stock market, you can sell this call option on your Ethereum, your USDT, or your Bitcoin. So what it looks like, we'll use Ethereum for an example. You sell them your Ethereum. You put your one Ethereum up, okay? And the price of Ethereum right now is $1,219. The target price, or the strike price, is I looked at this earlier, is $1,250. The lowest time frame that you've got for this option is a 1-day period. So what they are saying is you can essentially put one Ethereum up, or I don't know what the maximum is. You can put more up if you want. And you are guaranteed a return, okay? You are guaranteed a return up to, I think it was 100, and at the time that I was looking at it, like 130% annualized return. Now, remember, that's a 1-day period. So what's happening is you're going to have to divide out the 120% return by 365 days, and you're going to get a little less than 0.5%, okay? So what they're saying in this cryptocurrency option is that if Ethereum ends anywhere below $1,250 by the expiration date, in our case, 1 day. So if it ends anywhere below $1,250 at the expiration date, you get your Ethereum back plus your 120% annualized return, which is basically $4. Okay, but if you divide it out, it's $4 that you would make on the day. So you get your Ethereum back and your $4 gain. Now, if Ethereum starts to rocket higher and it goes beyond the $1,250 strike price, you are receiving the USDT equivalent of your one Ethereum at the strike price. So you're getting 1,250 USDT plus the percentage. In this case, 120% annualized return, which is about $4. So you're going to be receiving $1,254. Now, this is an option, right? So you are limiting your upside. You're kind of guaranteeing yourself that return there, that $4 return, whether or not Ethereum goes up or down, up to $1,250. But if Ethereum jumps up to $1,500, you're only going to receive $1,254. You limit your upside. So they are giving you that annualized return of 120%. But how much better off would you have been if instead of making 0.5% in a day, if you made a 10% gain in a day because Ethereum jumped up 10% in value? You know, if you multiply out a 10% daily gain, you've got ridiculous annualized returns. So it looks really good, but they're essentially just selling you cryptocurrency, or they're buying cryptocurrency call options, right? Where they're going to call that Ethereum away from you if it gets a bounce. They're going to call that Bitcoin away from you if it gets a bounce. And that's what they don't understand what these returns are. They look really high, but Kucoin and Binance is doing it. They're buying these call options off of you, the seller of these call options. So it is a pretty good way to make money if the coin is not moving up, or if it's going to move down, or even up slightly. But, you're limiting your upside. For John J! Ooh, yes. I don't know what this one is. Pudgy, man. Thank you very much. This is a disco pineapple coconut action for John J. Ooh, pineapple. A coconut. We got a pineapple. And coconut. We got a pineapple. And coconut. Thank you very much, Pudgy, for the pineapple coconut action. No idea what's going on with that one. Absolutely love it, though. John J., that's for you, baby. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Almost forgot. Auction today. 15 sows, 2 boar hogs equals many, many, many piglets. Nice, dude. We got a king pig in the chat. Get used to it. You're welcome for the future bacon in advance. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely love it, Tim, dude. Really appreciate that. And all right, perfect, man. We got a lot of bacon coming now with 17 pigs bought today. Tim, man, what's 17 pigs cost? How much you get 17 pigs for? I don't even know what a pig goes for these days. Listen, if it's rude to ask, don't bother telling me. It'll get lost in the chat. That's completely fine with me. But I have no idea what a pig goes for. I know that bacon is like $4, sometimes $5 a pound. So you got to worry about that. But I don't know what an actual pig costs to buy. Let's see here. Thumbnails. Man, I know I missed something. Darn it. Let's see. Something funny going on at Kucoin because can't use credit card anymore. Stopped about a month ago. Kai, see, I have not known. I did not see anything about the credit card. Yeah, the thumbnails are the best. Whose thumbnails, man? Crypto Kings or whose? Let's see. Where we at on likies? Probably too low. Brozik! What's going on, Kalani? Ho. Man, poor ape. Yeah, no, we don't want to be poor apes. We want to be rich apes. For a $4 profit, I'll pass. Well, then you can. It's $4 daily profit, right? It is $4 daily profit. And I will say, they're a good idea if you honestly don't think that the coins are going to move up in value. If you plan on holding them anyway, it's like selling a covered call. So it is a way to generate some income if you have no intentions of selling your coins and you don't believe that they're going to go up in value. But, okay, if they do go up in value beyond that strike price, those coins, you're going to get called away. Those coins are going to be out and you're going to be in the money. So it is simply like selling a covered call and being able to get those returns that way. Nothing of concern, though, man. Nothing that screams, oh my gosh, Kucoin is a liquidity crunch. You just got to understand what those investments are. So they are beneficial for Kucoin, or they're beneficial for Kucoin if the price goes up. Very beneficial. They're beneficial for you if the price is moving down and you don't plan on selling those coins anyway, or if the price is moving sideways, or just like slightly up. I don't want to say going up as well, because then it's like it's beneficial for you no matter what. It's beneficial for you if it does not pass the strike price. Let's put it that way. Close enough, Pudgy. Good deal, man. Good deal. I have no idea if it was good or not, but good deal, man. I'm glad it was close. Army Vet Bro, my hero, my hero, my hero. Thank you very much, Army Vet, bro. Absolutely appreciate that. Loving it, dude. What did I miss? Kucoin having issues? No, transparent trading. Kucoin may be having issues, right? Just like Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Kraken, they all may be having issues that they're not letting us know about. But Kucoin trading on Twitter right now with like 80 to 100,000 posts. People worried about the APRs. They're starting to see these high APRs on Kucoin. And they haven't looked into it yet. They're just kind of freaking out. It's their dual investment, dude. They allow you to sell basically covered calls. So you can sell covered calls on your Bitcoin and Ethereum, for lack of a better term, right? They're calling it dual investment, but if you understand call options, that's what they're allowing you to do, is sell some covered calls on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Or USDT, if you've got the USDT available. Let's see. You missed MOAS. I will never want to miss the MOAS. Please, no. Are you going on TikTok after the... Possibly, King Mamba. So I'm not 100% sure if I will or not, but quite possibly. If you see me go on, let's hang out a minute. Bro, I got lucky. Selective bidding, being able to speak Pennsylvania and Dutch. Amish walked out under 400. Dude, $400 for 17 pigs doesn't sound bad at all, dude. $400 for 17 pigs doesn't sound bad at all. I did not know. Tim's an Amish guy. I did not know Tim was an Amish dude. I thought Tim was just a farmer, but shoot, Tim. Good deal, man. Good deal. I like it. Tim, how you watching YouTube right now, man? How you watching YouTube? 17 pigs for $400 does not sound like a bad deal at all, though, man. I'd buy 17 pigs for $400. Future video thumbnail: run for your lives. Crypto is dead. All exchanges down. Dude, I think the exchanges will stay up longer than DeFi. I do. I think that the government's slightly more concerned with DeFi than they are centralized exchanges, because they can control the centralized exchanges and they understand who the customers are. DeFi is what they cannot control. $4 a day. That's like 20-cent weekly options premium for selling contracts. Yeah, Frank, it's not bad, dude. It's not bad. It's $4 a day on $1,000, and the shortest time frame is the daily time frame, and then you can go ahead. That's the shortest time frame with the closest strike price. Okay, and that equals roughly 120 to 160% annualized return on your investment there. The further out you go, so if you're going a week out and so on, there's a lot of room for fluctuation there. You're earning less of an APY, and obviously the further out you go from the current price, the further out strike price you get, then the lower APY. But the highest ones that everybody's complaining about right now are daily and very close to the price. I don't think that Ethereum, though, is going to pass $12.50 by tomorrow. But there is that chance that it does. And if it does, that there's your $4 premium that you're bringing in there. And the APYs aren't bad, but that's what they're doing on Kucoin and Binance, that people are kind of concerned about, because they see the rates but they don't understand what they're buying there. Anthony says, looking for some cheap coins for the next bull run. Can you check out Robo RBIF on CoinMarketCap and give me all thoughts? Yeah, dude, Tectonic, Pudgy, Sonic, yes. Yeah, and look, Anthony, Tectonic is another one that is cheap, dude. Okay, and Tectonic is well known with a $10 million market cap. RBIF. Robo Inu, $5 million market cap. So Robo Inu Finance, man, I don't know what these guys got going on. It's got decent volume with $140,000 traded over the last 24 hours. $5 million market cap is very low. I like to see that all the coins are outstanding. 5.7 fully diluted, 5.7 current market cap. It does look cheap in comparison to where it was earlier. Let's see. Seems like about a 90% discount. Fell 90% from its all-time highs. So relatively the same thing as all of the other major cryptocurrencies out there. If it just returns to these all-time highs, it's only going to have a $50 million market cap. And you're going to 10x. So it's got a lot of potential. But I'm going to tell you this, dude. Okay? Your main concern with this coin, without even looking into what they do, is that they don't survive the bear market. This bear market is brutal, dude. It's brutal. And if these guys cannot market during the next bull market, meaning they don't have advertising money, nobody talks about them, nobody understands what this coin is, nobody sees it, it's just going to get lost in a sea of tens of thousands of coins that nobody's going to care about, and so on. You can make some money there, yes. It's got potential, but it is a major risk. So that's my thoughts on it without knowing anything about what they do or anything like that. It's got high potential, but very high risk as well, man. NK has YouTube now. I don't think so. I have no idea what's going on. NK? I don't know, NK. Kucoin has been doing pools like that for a long time. No, I know. Yeah, they're calling it their dual investment. They're dual investment. I think they just call it dual investments, actually. But it's very similar to selling covered calls on your cryptocurrency. So if you own a Bitcoin on their platform, if you own an Ethereum on their platform, you can go make those daily, weekly, monthly percentage yields, whatever you want to, whichever Korea, I'm sitting here reading this, whichever time frame you want to use. Oh, there you go. North Korea has YouTube now. Yeah. Greetings from North Korea. Well, dude, I don't know how you made it. Greetings from Ohio. Glad to have you in here, Savprod. I'm going to start a new channel called FUD, Dark Bro. You can actually probably do very well if you talk about the FUDs out there. Tectonic, VVS, Financial, a Crow is bargain basement prices right now. Yeah, Tim, I agree. I do think that Crow can come down in price a little bit more. I do. And I like Crow if the exchange survives. I don't know where VVS is at the moment, but Tectonic is definitely at some, I think, all-time lows right now. Squid Games token. Yeah, that could be another one. It's pretty decent. Yesterday's cash secure puts took $7 collateral for $26 in my pocket on each contract. Just a little bit better return. So, yeah, yours were weeklies, though. Right, Frank? Yours were weeklies. These are dailies. So you're still making on that $1,000, you know, $5, $20 a day. And, you know, being able to make that money right there. And, you know, Ethereum has to gain 20 bucks. Ethereum still has to gain a couple percent before you would hit your strike. So it is possible that you get called away, but I don't know. So your notifications come on for your afternoon chat, but now your morning shots, there's just something wrong with the algorithm. Yeah, 775. I agree. Here's the thing, though, man. Here's the thing. I can choose to sit here and complain about it, which I will do in my spare time, but I'm still going to show up. I'm still going to push through. I'm still going to do all that crap. They can do whatever they want, right? But I'm still going to be here. Why? It's just what I do, man. It's just what I do. So I'm not going to let YouTube get in my head and everything like that. But I do know that with 40 people in here right now, something is off, right? I do think something's off. Army Vet, bro! Thank you very much for the banana. This is how you properly lick and stick it, ladies and gentlemen. You take that banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much, Army Vet Bro, for the lick and stick technique. And Tim says, here's another one for Pudgy. This one's for you, man. Pudgy, you take the banana, you peel it, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Eye contact the entire time. Pudgy, that's for you, Tim. Thank you very much, guys. Get your names in the chat right now. It is after 5 o'clock. We're going to do the shout-outs. We will be back this evening with videos at 7 p.m., not 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to watch them. Throw a like button on them. All that good stuff. Share them. We got to, look, views are obviously suppressed right now. Watch them twice if you can, all right? Good deal. Help out. All that good stuff. But nonetheless, man, let's do these shout-outs, and we will be back a little bit later. And if you see anybody in the Discord, it looks like they might be upset or something like that. I have no idea why King Mamba was blocked. He was blocked, so make sure to spread the word. We need to check these channels out again and make sure that these people are not blocked. So Army Vet, man, shout out to you, Tim. Shout out. Next level, see you later. Pudgy, Old Rounder, 775. Arthur. We got Gorilla, Semi-Pro Photo. See you later. The Franchise, Mark L. See ya. King Mamba, Army Vet, bro. Enjoy your evening. We got Frank, Paul Wright, Anthony Doyle. Peace out to you. SD, if you're listening right now. Nick F. I saw you jump in earlier. Don't know if you're in here right now or not. Shout out to you, Nick F. Lyman Dave, enjoy your evening. Cassie was in here. Don't know if you're still in here or not. Simon, hopefully Simon's afternoon went well, man. Remember Simon, they were getting some layoffs there, and we did not see Simon this afternoon, so hopefully Simon's okay and no concerns there, man. We'll have to look out for Simon in the Discord or something. But thinking about Simon, man. Pudgy, glad you're doing good. Tim, man, see you later. Crypto Dreamer Pat, peace out to you, and you guys know what time it is. So you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.